Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a low plank with our opposite arm and opposite leg elevated. All right, so when we do this, we want our elbows directly under our shoulders, and we're going to stay super engaged through our upper back. So we're really going to be pressing the ground away with our forearms. We're going to be squeezing our abs and flexing through our quads and squeezing our glutes as much as we can. So pressing the ground away, and then shift your feet however they need to be shifted so we can elevate one of our legs, and then we're going to elevate one of our arms. Lots and lots and lots of balance and stability going on here. We can alternate or hold all on one side.